Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Let's make buffalo wings. Please stick around and watch this video. So I've already washed my chicken with some lime and vinegar, or you can just wash them under cold water. I already pot dry my chicken because you want them to be crispy. Now I'm gonna season the chicken. I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. You could use onion powder also, and I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of Badia complete seasoning, and I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. And I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of paprika. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And now I'm going to mix this together. You want to ensure everything is nicely coated. Each of the chicken wings, get some seasoning, I'm gonna preheat my oven at 400 degrees. I'm gonna spray a non-stick spray on the baking rack so that the chicken wings don't stick to the tray, just for security. And now I'm going to place the chicken wings on the rack. Now I'm going to drizzle some oil on top of the chicken wings. And brush them. Just like this. You could add the oil earlier when you was adding the season, but I totally forgot the oil. So now we're gonna put them into the oven and 400 degrees for 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes we're going to take them out and flip them on the other side. For 20 minutes I'm going to flip these chicken wings. Oh my god, they're looking and smelling amazing. So we're going to put them back in the oven for another 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. Now we're going to make the buffalo sauce. And I'm going to add 8 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to allow this to melt. Now I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of this sauce. And this is Frank Red Hot Wings sauce, buffalo. You can go ahead and use any hot sauce you'd like to use. It's really up to you which one you'd like to use. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You could use white vinegar, white distilled vinegar if you can. And I'm also gonna add 1 tablespoon of honey. So this is basically it, easy to make. And I'm gonna add my chicken wings. So these are my beautiful wings. Look at these, they're nice and crispy. And look at the color, look at this. Oh my goodness, so crispy and nice. And tender on the inside. Now I'm gonna dip them into the sauce, so this can have a nice coating. And I'm gonna dip them individually into the sauce. Oh my goodness, look at these. If you've reached this far into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you like this video. And also leave me a comment on what you like to eat your chicken wings with, what type of dressing. And here you have it, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to everyone on your social medias and your friends, your cousin, everybody. And now we're gonna eat this with our favorite sauce and with some carrot and the classic celery. Gonna take a dippy dip. We're gonna take a bite. Oh my goodness, this is good. These are really good. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. See you in my next video.